Quick and easy, this recipe is truly worth preparing. The flavor is simply magnificent. To start, add 5½ ounces of instant noodles to a pot. Cover with water, close the lid, and let it cook for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, on a cutting board, cut 10½ ounces of chicken breast into small pieces. In a skillet, add olive oil to taste. Add the chopped chicken. Add 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Black pepper to taste. Soy sauce to taste. And 1 tablespoon of mustard. Mix everything well and let it fry until the chicken is golden. Next, slice 1 medium carrot into thin slices. Slice half an onion. Add the carrot and onion to the skillet along with the golden chicken. Season with salt to taste and mix well. Let it cook for 1 more minute. Then add the cooked instant noodles to the skillet. Cut 1/3 of a red bell pepper. And 1/3 of a green bell pepper into thin strips. Slice half a tomato. Add these ingredients to the skillet along with green onions to taste. Mix well with a spatula and let it cook for 1 more minute. And it's done! Our instant noodles with chicken and vegetables are ready to serve. A practical, quick recipe with an irresistible flavor. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you liked it, don't forget to like our video. Not part of our channel yet? Click the subscribe button now so you don't miss any of our upcoming recipes.